Hey everyone, how's it going? So, in honor of Super Bowl Sunday today, I want to show you guys how to draw the Super Bowl trophy. Now, to begin with the trophy, we want to start towards the top. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve back up towards the top. And it's going to kind of form a football shape because there is a football on the top of the trophy. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a long diagonal line that goes down. And then right here, I'm going to make another one that goes a little bit farther down. And then right here, I'm going to make another one that goes down, not quite as far as that middle one. Then I'm going to connect this line right here. And then I'm going to connect this line right here. Now, on the top here, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that goes right to about here. And then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around to here. And then I'm going to draw another little line that goes right down to here. Then, right around here, I'm going to make a couple little tiny skinny ovals, and these are just going to be like the little laces on the football. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Super Bowl trophy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.